Hey guys, this is Bentley. Figured I'd give you an update on the Pedro situation. Got a new cat today. Figured it was about time. I decided to name him Pedro 2.0. He's a great cat, but I can't control him. He's a vicious, mean little guy. He's been shitting all over the place. God damn it, Pedro 2.0. I'm not even mad though. I mean, it's a good source of protein and it looks healthy. Well, I just got done cleaning up after Pedro 2.0. Can't seem to find the little shit anywhere. I think I hear him climbing around in the ceiling up there. He'll come down eventually when he's good and ready. I might have to shoot him down.